Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook account on PC. First of all, open up the Facebook app. Then click on Menu from the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Settings and click to see more in the Account Center. From the Account Center, click on Personal Details. Now tap on the Account Ownership and Control option. Then click on Delete Account option. Select your Facebook account you want to deactivate. Choose the Deactivate Account option and click on Continue. When you delete your account, the pages and additional Facebook profiles will be deleted as well. Tap to continue. Now choose the reason why you want to deactivate your account. I'll select my account was hacked, then tap on Continue. Now from Account Security on Facebook, click on Continue. Then your account will be deleted successfully. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.